You're allowed to overshoot your leg though?
There's a decent amount, but overall, like, it's not as bad as math. There's some classes.
No, math is like 1 or 2 hard.
Yeah. Right now, I gotta go to class, so I gotta go.
Hello?
Yo, come downstairs, bro. I gotta show you something.
Downstairs?
Yeah, come downstairs.
Coming down here. I'll just take the elevator. Bye. What is that? What is that? What is that? I'm gonna call someone. It's locked. Where are the keys? Where are the keys? Where are the keys? Hello? Yo, there's a noise. I don't know what it is. There's a noise. I don't know what it is. The door's locked. The door is locked. I can't get it open. Yeah, I can't get it open. A key? Where would a key be? Alright, I'm looking around. I got it.